Triple threats, box 149, 1106 Eastern Standard Time. Zip by yip a minute. Dude, if Colts go after Decker, that would be ridiculous. How about that? I'm gonna grow. I was looking in the. I was like, nah, my beard's getting a little thick. Do I grow it out until the Colts win the Super Bowl? I would look homeless, I guess, for quite some time, actually, because that's not for another full year. All right, here we go. My beard would be like getting in the way. The camera would be flopping over into the camera. My beard would be right here. All right. I don't know where I come up with a lot of this stuff. Anyway, here we go. Ooh, boy. What we got in there? What we got in there? When we save that one just for a second. This is going to be David Wilson out of 170. Steven Jackson, 88, 320. Dan Marino. Matty Shaw. I don't know what's in it. I didn't open it yet. It's just right there. Then we got Santonio Holmes. Leave it up to Frankie P to snag a little 2 out of 3. Little nastiness in there. That'll be DeMarco. 2 out of 3. Very short print. And then he got Nile Davis. Nice little shadow box there. Going to KC Amosa. There you go. That's not bad. I'd take that little pack any day. Now let's just take a break here and just see what we got going on here. It might not be a book. They might have just put way too many cards in here. No, it's a book. Oh boy. Here's Jamal Charles, 31 out of 50. RG3 out of 320. Jarius the Birdman, Matty G. Alden Smith. Jake Locker. Then he got Giovanni Bernard, 18 out of 25. All the trading is done on the forum. It's the best place to go. So the forum is the best place to go for trading. All right, here we go. Auto Relic Double Combo Book Card. Could it be? I like it. That'll be... So it's going to go to Cincinnati. Panther Nation. Make it happen. Giovanni Bernard, Le'Veon Bell, Schmonty Ball, Eddie Lacy, Christine Michael, and Nile Davis. That is a nasty book. You nasty, Twist. You nasty. Oh, boy. Dude, that is so nice. Hey, D, just let everybody know on Twitter that we're back up in the game this week, player. Congrats to Panther Nation. What do we got numbered to? 7 out of 18. It's down there. It's pretty tough to see. Dude, that book is nasty. Woo! Congratulations, brother. You were due. Nice. Very, very nice. All right, let me go and save this.